यू हैव टू ड्रॉ फ्रॉम पॉइंट बी ऑन साइड ए सी। तो जिस साइड पे हमें ड्रॉ करना होता है ऑल्टीट्यूड, हम वी विल पुट दिस perpendicular side, you can say this perpendicular side on overlapping on that side. Clear? So we are putting this border of set square on this side, B AC side, okay, overlapping to this, but we have to draw from point B. So now we will slide this and until up to point B, okay, जहाँ से कि ये B से straight दिखने लगी, okay, and overlapping to side AC. Clear? So now it is what? Clear? So this is this point. Clear? Now this was how much? 5.5. This was how much? 4. And this is your BM. Clear? Okay. Now here which point is orthocenter? They are asking about the orthocenter. So clearly here B is the orthocenter. Why B is the orthocenter? Because from C, if we think this is how much making 90 degree on side AB. On side AB, this CB is the line that making 90 degree. Okay, so you can say BC is the altitude. Same as if we talking AB line, AB is the altitude perpendicular on BC side. So you can say AB is the altitude, okay, of line BC, and come to this, okay, from point, and BM is already altitude what we drawn, okay. So what we can say, okay, B is orthocenter. Clear? Of triangle ABC as BC, AB and BM. AB, BC and BM, okay. AB, BC and BM meets to each others, okay, at point B. Clear? So this is your final answer, okay. Now we are going to start 10th. We are going to start 10th, okay. So what is here 10th? Identify the variation and solve. 10th question is what? Identify the variation and then solve. It takes 5 hours to travel from one town to the other. If the speed of bus is 48 km per hour, okay, it takes 5 hours, okay, to travel from one town to the other. And if the speed of bus is 48 km per hour, 48 km per hour. 48 km is the speed, okay. If the speed of bus is reduced by 8 km per hour, 8 km per hour it is reduced, so how much time will it take for the same traveling, okay. how much time will it take for traveling the same travel, how much time it will take. Okay, so you understood 5 hours it taking from traveling from one town to the other. If speed of the bus is 48 kilometer per hour, this is speed. Okay, and this is the time given. Clear? So now if the speed of bus is reduced by 8 kilometer per hour, 8 kilometer hour reduction. Okay, so how much time they asking, reduced time. Clear? So what will be solution? Here I am writing solution na, so you start from here. Okay, start from here. This was question I have written, whatever data, so such that you can make it understand. I can make you understand, but here it is solution. So if you want to note down, so you start note down from here. Clear? So now if the bus is decreased, sorry, if the speed of bus is decreased, then time taken to cover distance to a certain distance increases.